view of the motor. And at the very top, here's the spark plug. It can unscrew, and there you have the complete spark plug like this. The bottom, this is the electrode at the very bottom. Once all the bolts have been removed, this bolt has been loosened. This part, called the blower shroud, can be set aside. Also, the cylinder head can be set over to the side. Now much of the motor is exposed, and you will learn the names of the parts. This part here, that looks like a wheel, rotates, and this is called the flywheel. The flywheel. As it turns, or as the piston goes up and down, the flywheel turns. This is rather difficult to do with one hand, but as you notice, if you turn the flywheel, watch the piston, and the piston will go up and down. Be careful not to pinch yourself, because if you rotate this and you're not careful, there are a couple pinch points you don't want to get pinched on. But it's interesting to see how the valves lift and close and the piston goes up and down as the flywheel spins. Now, this part of the engine is called the piston. This is the piston. This part that the piston travels in and out is called the cylinder. This is the cylinder. These two are the valves of the engine. This is the intake valve. Brings in the air-gas mixture. The valve right now is in the open position. And this is the exhaust valve. This is where the smoke, carbon dioxide, and waste gases travel out of the engine. And you can see right now that this valve is in the closed position. These parts of the motor. This is where the gas goes. It's the gas tank. This is the air filter, which filters the air. In between the two, this is the carburetor right here. This is the carburetor, where the air, the fuel, is mixed and brought into the engine for combustion. This is, as I said earlier, the blower shroud, which fits on the front of the engine and allows the engine to run more cool. This is called the cylinder head. This is the cylinder head, and this is where the spark plug should go. The spark plug would screw into this hole.